What's up with this? Well, let's get this fixed. Stupid idea. Some quickie. In this episode, get some bottom plates in, get everything scrubbed down, scribed out, let's get it all clean and then get them bottoms in. Oh, and how was last week? Well, last week was good. So, Friday. Hatterplats! Today, it's Thursday, and I'm stuck with all the projects that are in the shop. So, final decision, Thursday, a start on Project Cadet again. Whoop whoop! Fuck. Well, another hour of grinding, the forever grinding of this crazy Cadet stuff. But the bottom plates are done, so the inside is protected and some other pieces are already protected. So now I'm off to the reinforcement beams. I'm going to reinforce the chassis first, then I'm going to drill out the beams, then I'm going to clean out everything we need at the size of the bottom plates, and then we can weld them in. Woohoo! So that's looking kind of neat. We can work with this. Now on to the rest of the chisels. Well, that's another piece out. So we're going to attack this side first and then jump to the other side. Let's clean out what we find all under here and then weld one bottom plate in. Oh, and for everybody who was asking about the chassis number. Well, I can fix it without removing. So I got the complete fronts out, but the chassis number is just next to the passenger side seat. Look over here. So that's my chassis number. Yeah, now everybody on the internet can see it. I will wipe some of it down, but we need to attach this. So the chassis construction is out. Let's clear this out, get the junk out, get it cleaned, and get one floor piece in. Well, as I have mentioned it before, How can there be so much sand inside? That can only mean one thing. It's all sand. It's been underwater. No way. There's no way, no other way that there can be sand like this. I think that's the water line that's been over there. You can see, this is the top. This is the top of the reinforcement, and this looks like the top of the water line. I think it's time for a new one. I think I made good use of this. Don't you think? Let's get one fucking plate and see what kind of shitty we're going to have on this. Okay, yeah, work. Stupid idea, I guess. Yep, that's a stupid idea. And back you. It's not going to work. No. Some quickie, and the beam is in another spot, so let's try again. Not sure how this is supposed to be, but one side is fitting, but the other side is so fracking seems not for this shit. This is so fracking never going to fit. Not even close. Fuck you. What the fuck is there? What's wrong with you people? Maybe the different tunnel again. Same like the bottom plates. Fucking good. And at the top we are going to need a lot more fixings. Freaking fixings. Freaking everything's not freaking nice. No nicey, no nicey. Oh, pretty freaking far from fitting. Yeah, lovely. Okay, fresh cutout. Yeah, that's way better. Bam! Bam, skiki, bam, bam. Yes, babies, we're going to fix this. So, need some more room over there, but I think I'm going to cut out a little more. Okay, what with this lolly? Yep, okay, a little more. And we're back. Maybe a little bit more. And we're back! Yeah, this will fit in the end, but it's not going to be easy. Fuck you. And we're back! Okay, that's a little bit better. We can fix this. We can work with this. Because now we can slowly pull it all the way down that it will touch the cutted corners and we can scrape it down. But first, I'm going to keep this piece and going to cut the rest over here to make it at this exact halfway point of the spot weld so I can weld it all in and then the reinforcement will be over the weld seam. But this side needs to be, because of this big leap, I want to get this side fitted first. And that side we can hammer in the good shape. But I don't want to cut this. So little tapey to remind me not cutting over there. I need to put that at the back side as well, because otherwise when I'm just cutting, I will cut it off anyway, so get me a reminder on it that we keep that piece. But first, of course, some other bits to do. So we've got this, and of course the rust was too high, so I needed to cut out a lot. That means we first need to get some, well, filling out fluid, because we've got some holes over there that we need to get rid of first. Yippee! Okay, so now I've got something to work with. We got a straight line edge over there, so that we can get the bottom aligned to that point. We got to fix a point over here, but first scrape out the bottom plate and make that fit and see how far we can stretch that to get that crazy rust point out as well. But I think now we can get some meters done on the floor panel. Let's go! So, okay, this is my first line to start. These are the sport welds, so this will be straight under the reinforcement beam. As you can see, the shapes of course are a little different, so I adjusted already a little bit over here, but this is flowing the line nicely, so we can work our way all the way forward. And that side would be the most work. Well, freaking 100,000 attempts later, alligator, we're almost fitting. I need to cut out the final bits and then we're there. So all that shapings and the shapings on the side are done, and the only thing we need to cut out a little bit is on the edge, but as you can see, it is fitting kind of nice. Got the rust spot out and the fitment is on point. Some fitment points are different because, of course, probably this will be the bottom plate of the older model with the tunnel. Different tunnel, but it will fit anyways with some work. So, cutting time, final cuts. Go. I think I got everything prepared. Let's hope so. Where is my actor tool? My actor tool is gone. Okay, so no welding in yet, but I think this will be easy to fit. It's really looking neat. Well, a little in-between update. Where is my freaking ear? Kuthandschoenen. Well, a little in-between update. The bottom is really flowing in nice. So I've got a couple spot welds left to do. but this fitment is on point. Well, I have done my fair share of welds and sheet metal work, but this one I am happy and really satisfied about. Again, it's getting in a good flow, all these repairs on the Cadet. Hopefully it keeps going this way, but damn you, this is a nice bottom plate. Now the ugly stuff grinding all the welds down. And then repeat on the other side. So just let's hit it, let's go, keep on the grind going. Boring episode, I guess, because we're only working on this stupid freaking sheet metal part, the bottom plate that's going in. But there's progress. So I hope you still like this episode. Oh, buy the hoodies because they're going fast. Still, the pre-order is still open. They are ordered, so they're on their way. So keep in mind, don't forget to order your hoodie. Hey, where's my brills? Well, I guess that's it for another week. Another week, it's Saturday out with busy, crazy projects in the shop. And did you know, hopefully everybody of you seen it, we started another day with uploading new YouTube content. So every Friday from now on, you will see the Mark II Rally content, where we're building a Mark II Golf Rally X RS3. Keep watching that. And for this week, well, what can I say about this? I did a lot of work, but crappy compressor. So I have done a lot of work, but I'm not sure. Well, this is the end of the episode, so hopefully this was enough for you all to see that something is happening. But yeah, this is kind of getting a little bit crazy on making a good filled episode, because I've got this X amount of time and it takes just a lot of time to get all this stuff finished and done the way I would like to do it. I'm grinding it down right now. It's not really there yet, but I'm really happy on the result, as I've shown you in the video. And I think we're getting there. I think the left side will be a little bit quicker, because I know how everything just went on the right side. It's always still a little bit of searching on how this fall into place and how this fall in the sides and which way the best way and the fastest way is. But it just takes a lot of time. And those 3 months, well, I think I just fucked myself with the 3 months. But when I said that, I didn't have in mind that we would be going so far. So, well, at least I can entertain you all with my crazy stuff that I'm doing in this crazy old Opel and fixing some sheet metal on it. So, like and subscribe to the channel. Go pre-order the hoodies, because they are on their way and a lot of people ordered them already. Thank you for buying the hoodies. That will keep the flow going on the Cadet, and I can order some more parts and can afford to do all of this with taking 1 day of work into the Cadet and filming it all for the YouTube game. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel, and see you next Friday for the rally, and the Sunday after, of course, Cadet episode again.